Hi, I'm Dr. Abhishek Gohal. Today we will learn about how to use ITK-SNAP, which is an open source application to convert DICOM images into NIfTI images. And in the second part, we will learn about Colab workflow, which we have made to co-register FLAIR and PET images onto a fixed T1 image. So first of all, MRI images from the center. On the left hand side of the screen and on the right hand side of the screen, we have ITK-SNAP. So just open one of the images and just drag them here. Click on next. Next, you can adjust the contrast and save the image. And make sure that you save the image in the parent folder. Okay? And it has to be named accordingly. If it is T1, name it T1.nii. This is the NIfTI format. And then finish. And repeat the same with all the other images. T1, then FLAIR image, just drag one of them, load as main image over here, and click next. Next, you can auto adjust the contrast if you want, that is optional, and save the image. FLAIR.nii. And finally, we have the PET city image. In that, we have to select the PET series. Do not select the CT series, select the PET series. Just drag one of them, main image. Similar process. Yeah, it does not look like PET as of now, but soon it will look like that. Save as PET.nii. So this part is very easy. Now you have three images, FLAIR, PET, and T1. These are the NIfTI images. And now you can go to colab.research.google.com. In that, you have to upload this notebook. Click on connect. You have to connect one of the processors. Just click on connect. Once it is connected, you have to click on run all. So it will run this code which we have made. You will get this Python code by mailing us on one of these email addresses, abhishek@gujaratepilepsy.com or rutul@gujaratepilepsy.com. Just wait for a few minutes and we'll load this. So this is the acquisition. These are the acquisition parameters. Yeah. So this runs on the Google hosted CPU service. It does not run on your computer. You have to confirm that the files are de-identified and you have taken the appropriate permission from the patients. This is only for educational purposes. This is not for clinical purposes. Once you confirm, click on this, choose files, choose all three, T1, FLAIR, and PET. So it will upload, as you can see here. So once it is uploaded, you have to continue to register. Once you do that, you have to run the co-registration. So once it is done, download zip. So once you have this zip files, open with ITK-SNAP, the T1 as main image. You don't require this anymore. You can just adjust, and yeah, you can just drag rFLAIR as an additional image on top of it, and then rPET as an additional image on top of it. So as you can see, you have all three of them rigidly co-registered to each other. Next, click on the rPET and display it as overlay. Color map, make it jet. As you can see, it is beautifully co-registered to T1. And same on FLAIR. You can change the contrast. This is thresholding. Change the colors. In case you have any doubt, feel free to mail us Abhishek at gujaratepilepsy.com, Rutuls at gujaratepilepsy.com. We'll be happy to help you. Make sure to clean the runtimes after it is done and delete the session. Clear all the outputs and disconnect and delete the runtime so that the data does not remain unturned. Thank you.